Hi, I'm Brooke James, Managing Director of Teaching Lab Studio, an innovation lab that transforms generative AI promises into practical tools that teachers can use to improve student learning. We focus on learning science, we leverage Teaching Lab's educator network, and we prioritize students who need it the most. We often hear the same concerns from teachers and district leaders. Will AI actually improve learning outcomes, or is it just another distraction? That tension is exactly why we want to bring this conversation to South by Southwest EDU. Together with Dr. Alice Waldron from Relay Graduate School of Education, I'll share real classroom stories and the AI tools that streamline lesson planning and surface student learning patterns, plus the failures that taught us what to change next. From these pilots, we've identified three principles that separate meaningful innovation from hype. The first is coherence. AI must work with high quality instructional materials, not create a competing curricula. Second, clarity. Teachers need transparent recommendations they can refine, not black box directives. And third, scale. Tools must integrate into daily workflows, not disappear when the pilot funding ends. You'll leave our session with concrete examples you can implement immediately in your schools and districts. If you want an honest, practitioner-led exploration of turning AI potential into proven results, please vote for our panel. I look forward to this conversation in Austin.